So it is a little bit later, but I thought I would share some outfit details. I'm wearing my thrifted earrings from Japan, just so I feel a little bit more fancy because today I'm just wearing sweats. This set is from the brand Desert Dreamer, and it's kind of like an oatmeal cream color, and it has a cute little graphic that says chill at home with a smiley face, matching bottoms that are very, very comfortable. Totally recommend this brand. And then I'm wearing my Roxy slippers. I've had these for a long time. I'm not sure if they're still in stock, but I've been wearing them almost every day. Today, I thought that I would kind of update you on what everything is looking like in the new place. It's still very bare. As you can see, the walls are almost completely, no, they're completely bare of anything. But I did get a couple new pieces of furniture. I thought that I would share that with you. Kind of ask you guys for help on how to decorate because I'm still not really sure how I want everything to look. So I think I'll start in here because there's almost nothing in here, and work our way towards the living room where that's just my favorite room right now. Before we get into the home decor update, I just wanted to say that I have been struggling trying to figure out plant placement in our new home. So most of what you see, everything now is just temporary. I've been looking for inspiration on how to display everything, and that is where today's sponsor, Skillshare, comes in. If you haven't heard of Skillshare before, it's an online learning community with tons of creative classes you can take in order to explore new skills, develop your existing ones, or just draw inspiration from other creatives. I usually like looking through the film and video section, but I was so excited to see this class under Lifestyle by Christopher Griffin, aka Plant Queen. I've been following their Instagram account since the start of this year, and it's been such a source of joy for me because of Christopher's outlook when it comes to plants. I don't want to give the entire class away, but there's a lot of helpful beginner care tips, advice on cultivating your current plant routine, assessing the light and humidity in your home, and also just a lot of positive affirmations in manifesting a healthy green space. Highly recommend taking the class, and I'll have a link in the description box for a free trial of the Skillshare Premium membership for limited time. After that, it's only $10 a month, so very affordable. I think it's worth it, and I've been having a lot of fun with it. Back to the home decor. This is what the bedroom looks like. Very bare, I know, but the more I sleep here, the more I kind of like it. It feels very peaceful. I'll link what I can in the description box, but the bed frame is just a simple metal black one that we picked up online. Lets me store all the stuff I'm really not sure what to do with yet. Comforter and pillowcases are from Target, and the headboard is an antique mirror given to me by my parents. I'm not sure where to place this at the moment, so this is the most secure place for it for now. Nightstands were a cheap purchase from IKEA, and not at all what I want to have here, but I did want something in the meantime while I'm looking. Mirror and coaster are thrifted, and the lamps are just old purchases I brought from my studio apartment. I have a leaning mirror on my side of the bed from Target, I think. I want to replace this eventually though, maybe something to match the headboard. Opposite the bed is our old couch that I think we're just going to donate. It just doesn't fit what we're going for, and we still have some boxes that need unpacking. Quickly moving to the kitchen, the only new thing is this utility cart we picked up for the espresso machine. Got this so there's more space for making lattes and just extra kitchen stuff. Moving into the dining room, and if you've been following me closely, then you probably know that I shot a commercial in my home recently. I turned the dining area into a workspace set just for that, just until I was able to find a dining table. The one I found is thrifted, and I got it for $100 for the table and the chairs. I love the cream tile with the black, but the chairs are just not my favorite. I'm on the lookout for different ones, so if you have any ideas, please send them my way. I'm really not into these ones. The curtains and curtain rods I picked up at a consignment store, and the bookshelves are IKEA. a very temporary solution to hold my plants, my very small library, and other random things that I just placed for the commercial. I definitely want something different here, I just don't know what. Going into the living area, this little space on the wall is not really styled for anything. Just another area to store plants and some of the things I kept from our old apartment. I really just put these things here because I didn't know where else to put them, and they fit here. As for seating, I found these super comfortable couches at the thrift store. I don't know, they just really caught my eye. The shape is aesthetically pleasing and the chrome legs are really interesting to me. I'm not sure what this style is, but whatever it is, this is the kind of style I think I want to go with. I have my old nesting tables that I used as a coffee table at my last place, but I'm not sure that it fits now. I might paint the legs black, maybe, I don't know. The TV stand was a very cheap thrift I bought because I'm not sure I want to mount the TV on the wall, and I needed furniture to place it on. I do like the way this TV stand looks with some of my stuff. I just think it's a little bit too orange, too warm for the color palette that I'm going for. I don't necessarily like the way it looks in this space, so I'm still looking for something else. In this corner, I have my desk. Also moved my lounge chair into this little area for the pets because my dog and cat like to sleep here. The litter box is also in this hidden planter that my cat loves. Not really much else to say. It's very mismatched, I know. I'm thinking of designing something different altogether, so this is just kind of a forgotten area. You can see Cat is right there. She looks so tiny on the couch. But I realized that I changed an area of the living room and I wanted to share this because this is one of my favorite pieces that I just found. It is a thrifted mirror that I got from the Long Beach Antique Market. I think it was about $180. I haggled the person that was selling it down from I think like $250. Has this really beautiful tortoise shell frame. I really love the shape too. It's very unique, I think. And so once I put this mirror here, I completely changed everything that was over here. I kind of wanted to get rid of kind of the clutter. I put this trunk that I also got from the Long Beach Antique Market right there, and we have some blankets for the couch in there, and then Cat's food is just there for now. I put a bunch of my plants there, and yeah, she just looks very comfortable. Not gonna show you the bathroom because it's really messy right now, but I do have some propagating bottles on the window ledge in there. As for the bedroom, I don't have any plants in there right now. I forgot to say why. I do get morning light in there, but I don't know if I get enough to sustain a plant for the rest of the day. I kind of want to test it, but I've already lost a few plants since I've moved into this space, which has made me really sad, but I know that once I kind of figure out a display idea, I can get back into my routine and my plants will thrive and flourish. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you have any plant ideas, display ideas, like I said, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!